Hey there guys, Fox Body Shoe 5.0 here, back with you guys, and today we're gonna go ahead and take care of these old headlights. Okay, this is a look that's probably, roughly 20 years old now. When I was working at the Ford dealership here in town, these Angel Eyes look went ahead and came out. And I was really into it, and these projector style headlights kind of appealed to me at the time. But between that and the undersized fog lights on there that don't even work, it is time for an upgrade. So I went ahead and again went through LMR, and again, great product by them that they put out all the time. But I went ahead and purchased a set of ultra clear headlight and fog light assembly. Okay, so went ahead and got these, and looking forward to getting them in the vehicle, guys. So I'm not gonna go ahead and do a whole thing on install and all that. You guys have saw enough of those, and there's enough of those out there. But I did want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit before, and go ahead and kind of talk to you a little bit during if I run into any issues or anything from what I've saw in other videos or any that may come up during the course of this, because working on vehicles, sometimes things happen that are unexpected. So but hopefully it'll be a smooth transition, and today I'm just going to focus on the headlights only, and then I'll do another video on the fog lights, because I think that's going to be a little bit more detail because of some of the wiring and that from the aftermarket fog lights that I have to get changed back over. So alright, other than that, I'll go ahead and come back and show you the progress here, guys. Alright, see you soon. Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and just cut in and show you something that is really cool, and to tell you the truth, it's a really pleasant surprise. If you are, this is a huge plug now for LMR. And again, I buy all parts myself. I do all this stuff. This is not a channel that has anything given to them by any means. I go ahead and purchase everything. I don't have anybody that sends me stuff to go ahead and do this. If you're interested though, contact me. I might be interested. Just kidding aside though, guys. Alright, but huge plug for these LMR headlight kits. If you are looking to go ahead and change your headlights, I highly suggest purchasing this kit, because again, remember, the headlights that I have, okay, are these aftermarket projector style headlights. Okay, switching over to go back to an OEM style headlight. Oh baby, these headlights right here that come with the kit have everything right behind it that you need to go ahead and plug in. So huge plug. Alright, I'll go ahead and I'll be back with you guys soon. Alright guys, back here with you with our next bit of progress. So here you can see I've got all both headlights removed. Got a little bit of extra wiring here I got to go ahead and take care of and get out of there from the projector style headlights that were on the other one. But other than that, guys, the only thing I have to go ahead and do is I just got to get a adjuster tool for our factory style headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one of those, and then I will go ahead and wrap up this video and get everything back with you guys. Alright, so it'll probably be a few days to go ahead and be able to get this done, but I'll be back with you guys, and we'll go ahead and wrap this up, and then like I said, the fog lights will be another video. So alright guys, I'll come back with you when I got that tool in. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, I'm back here. Now I know you may go ahead and tell that I'm like in a totally different outfit, totally everything. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's been really cold and frigid up here in the land of Michigan here, in recent months. and so I have not done a whole lot out here just because it's been so hard to go ahead and be able to heat up the garage with the little portable heater that I have over there. That's pretty much all I have to go ahead and keep the garage warm. Yeah, I know you guys may say, you know, go ahead and get something else that'll help keep the garage warm out here. Well, this is what I got right now, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and that's what I use. But it's still a nice 20 degrees here. We just went ahead and just got dumped on with snow. We had over a foot of snow here in the last week. So it has been a couple weeks since I've been out here, since the last portion of this video, just to kind of give you a quick update where we're at. Alright, and in the meantime I did experience some problems putting on the headlights here. Where currently you can go ahead and you can see I've got still the passenger side off, okay, but I do have the driver side in, and I like the way that this is going and the way that I put this in. So I'm gonna take the same route with this one. As I was starting to say, in the meantime, not being able to be out here in the last couple weeks due to it being really cold, and then also I had a couple other things that went ahead and came up that I had to attend to. I was able to watch a few videos and watch a couple other guys out there and go ahead and put in headlights, and I really like the way that I was able to pick up on putting in the headlights by actually putting in the main unit first. Because if you watch the LMR video, which is, again, is great, them guys go ahead and do it all the time. You know, I want to say that I remember hearing somewhere they went ahead and said you kind of start from the inside and you work your way out. Well, just in watching a few guys and a few YouTubers, Mustang YouTubers out there, you know, you guys went ahead and you started with the main headlight, setting that in, and then kind of working from there. So that's what I went ahead and I picked up. That's what I did, is first I went ahead and I set the center, the main headlight in, okay. Didn't tighten it up. I went ahead and made sure I got everything in, so that way all the adjusters and everything came through. Here, I'll put a little bit of light on it so you guys can go ahead and see. Made sure all the adjusters and everything came through on there, so that way you're able to do that with the headlight if need be. And then I went ahead and I worked just from the center and put the corner marker lamps in, and was able just to go ahead and make sure everything fit in. I still got to go ahead and tighten this side down, which will go ahead and draw that back in a little bit more to go ahead and sit in there, because I don't know if you can see from the camera or not, but it still looks to me like it's sitting a little bit out. So I'll make sure to get that all adjusted, but they're in. That's the main thing. That's the huge thing on this. That's what I'm really happy with. And then to go ahead and tighten everything down more. But I do have, you know, all the nuts and everything started on. For the most part, you know, on the corner and on the corner lamp and the inside parking lamp, I got those down tight. So I just got to go ahead and make sure to tighten this up a little bit more. But I do like the way that sits. So I'm gonna actually tackle the same thing on the passenger side now. Okay. All right, guys. So we're back from the time lapse, and they are in. Got them completely in. Still have to be tightened down and everything. So again, this one over here on the passenger side, it's kind of like that one. You know, it needs to be adjusted a little bit, but they're in, and that's the big thing. So, well, again, you know, shout out to the fellow Fox body community out there. When you guys go ahead and do videos like this. That's even like this video. You know what? I am not by any means a professional at this. I do this as a hobby. So, you know, I just come out and bring the camera out with me and record, and when I do little things here or there, and if it helps you out, that's awesome. You know, and that's what it's all about, and that's what I went ahead and got from just, you know, watching other fellow Fox Body YouTubers there in the community. Go ahead and do their thing, and you know, if it helps you out as well, then awesome. So, but other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of throw a couple pictures up of what it looks like here, as you guys saw it as well. I'm going to save the fog lights again for another video that will be coming out. But other than that, I'm extremely happy with how these look, from going from those old projector style headlights back to the factory style look. I love it. So again, thanks LMR for putting this whole kit together. You guys did a great job on that. Just a little shout out there for them. And then we'll go ahead until next time, guys. All right, so make sure that you go ahead and like, subscribe, go ahead and hit that bell for the latest and greatest whenever that stuff comes out, when I'm able to put it out. And we'll talk to you guys next time. All right, until then, this has been Fox Body Shoe 5.0. See ya.